back. So now we want without a calculator, match each. All right. So first of all, let's look at these, right? They are all written in the form of y equals mx plus b. That is, they have been written in the slope-intercept form. Notice y is isolated in each one of these equations. The last one does not even have a y. When there is no y, the line is vertical. You understand? Vertical, because the slope is undefined. Another way of thinking about it, no matter what y coordinate, x coordinate will be 3. No matter what the y coordinate, x coordinate is 3. And that's why no matter what my y, x is 3. So I have a vertical line. So this already tells me E is this one. Okay, that we got. On the flip side, here is y equals 4. No matter what my x coordinate, y is 4. So if you look closely, no matter what my x coordinate, y coordinate on the blue line is 4. So all these points have y coordinate 4. So y equals 4 is the horizontal line G. All right. Yet another way of viewing it, y equals 4 means y equals 0x plus 4. So slope is 0. So it is horizontal. On the other hand, here you cannot write it in this form. That is, there is no y to solve for, you see. So slope is undefined. That's why this one is a vertical line. This one is a horizontal line. Okay, so we got these two taken care of. Now let's look at this. Y equals x minus 3. X has coefficient 1. That is, y is 1x minus 3. So let me write this equation down. Y equals 1x minus 3. That means my line has slope 1 and it passes through, intersects y-axis at 0, 1. You see, that's the y-intercept. So I need a line which passes through 0, 1. So notice there seem to be two lines which pass through the positive y-axis. Now I need slope 1. This one goes down, so it's a negative slope. So this one has positive slope and it crosses the y-axis. It is not crossing the y-axis at 1. So I need a line which crosses the y. Oh, I'm sorry. Minus 3. Sorry. That's a negative 3. So it should be negative 3. Okay. Slope 1, y-intercept negative 3. So I need a rising line. There you go. Passing through negative 3 and slope 1. So that is D. Okay, so this is D. Here, y is negative 3x plus 3. So I need a negative slope, y-intercept 3. So y-intercept 3 and negative slope. Let's look at it closely. Y-intercept 3 and negative slope. So this one is C. Negative slope, y-intercept 3. Here, negative slope and y-intercept negative 3. So this one looks promising. Negative 3 and negative slope. Okay, so that is a B. Positive slope, y-intercept is 3. Positive slope, positive 1 slope, y-intercept is 3. So that's this one. Okay, F. Slope is 1 over 3 and no y-intercept. So y-intercept 0, that means it has to cross the origin 0, 0. Of all these lines, only this line goes through origin, okay, and has positive slope 1/3. So that's your line A, okay, which completes all the answers. So notice we didn't calculate anything, we just looked at the picture, used slope intercept form. Next problem. Find the x and y intercepts. To find x-intercept, set y. To find x-intercept, set y0. So you're going to set y0 in your equation. 0 equals x plus 1. And then, by the way, solve for x. Okay? So if I have to solve for x, what do? I need to subtract 1 from both sides. So -1 equals, positive 1 cancels -1, I'm left with x equals -1. X-intercept is -1, okay? On the other hand, notice sometimes they ask you for the point. Let's check what they want, okay? On the other hand, to find the y-intercept, set x equals 0 and solve for y, okay? Or even otherwise, notice y equals mx plus b, that number is the y-intercept. Regardless, in our case, in this approach, all I will do is put x equals 0 and solve for y. Y is 1, okay? Okay, so that completes elementary 16. Next videos will cover the next set of problems. Until then, bye.